They say you get what you pay for, but with the Thulium 110 plug-and-play 135 amp welder, this thing is way underpriced for what it can do. This little portable lightweight welder can pack a punch and is on sale right now for only $63. The Hot Start, Arc Force, and Anti-Stick are automatically on, so all you have to do is set your amperage and start welding. This little beast is perfect for everything from trailer builds to repairs to fence repairs and everything in between. So if you need a no frills, no gimmicks stick welder that just works well and doesn't break the bank, do yourself a favor, peep that link. Get yours now, thank me later. Peace.